School is like a journey. Your learning is an adventure. Maybe you slowly walk this journey, and maybe you fly in a rocket ship. For this project, let's illustrate your journey as a boat or a ship. We will use pencil and chalk pastels to color it. What are some shapes of boats? Maybe your boat holds a lot of friends and family. That boat might be like a ferry or a cruise ship designed to carry people. Maybe your boat is made for speed. You race through life from one adventure to the next. That shape might be more sharply angled or narrow. Everyone's learning is different, and everyone's boat will be different. A light pencil sketch will not show up in the final artwork, so draw as much as you like. It'll all get covered up with pastel. Draw large shapes, press lightly with your pencil, as deep dents in the paper might be visible later. This is an imaginary boat, so let's add some imaginary features. What powers your boat? Does it have a powerful engine? Is the engine real, or powered by a magical crystal or your brain? Is your boat powered by sails, oars, legs, wings, wheels? Think about how you like to travel and where you want your boat to go. You can work through many ideas before committing to a final design. I'm going to use colored paper for my final design. Chalk is formed naturally over millions of years as the shells of marine creatures called coccoliths break down on the ocean floor. You can find whole shorelines made of chalk. It's mostly the chemical calcium carbonate. Calcium is in bones, in milk, and many foods. Chalk pastels are made by grinding chalk with pigments to give them their bright colors. Your boat can be any color. Blend colors. If you want to blend two colors, usually the lighter pastel works best as a blender stick. You can also blend the colors together with a paper towel or a tissue. Some artists use their fingers, but that can get messy. I like to keep my hands clean. You can give the illusion of 3D form by shading areas away from the sun darkly and areas in the light with brighter values. It doesn't take much of a dark color to change a lighter color. Here I'm creating a horizon line to give a little space behind the boat and some water as it's moving through the surf here. I get to choose whatever color I want. If I want purple water, I can have it. Clouds are also lit from above, so they're typically lighter colored on top and slightly darker on the bottom by adding a little bit of black on the bottom of each cloud and then blending it in with my lighter white colored pastel. I can create the effect of rounded clouds. I chose to have these clouds sort of flat on the bottom. When you finish up, make sure to shake off any loose chalk onto a piece of paper so that can be thrown in the trash neatly. The purpose of every artwork is to get you ready for the next piece of artwork that you want to make. What will your next one look like? What ideas will you incorporate that you've learned from this experience? What will you create?